everybody, how's it going? My name is Mayuko and welcome back to my channel. As you can tell from the title of this video, it is time, like finally time, for me to open up Pandora's box and build my very first ever mechanical keyboard. I've talked about keyboards multiple times before on this channel, things like desk setups, stream setups, as well as a video I made about the best keyboards for programmers, as well as my most recent HHKB purchase. But I have yet to actually build one because I've always just bought like the ones that are pre-built. And I had this amazing opportunity to build one because the folks at KeebsForAll sent me a keyboard kit. I'm scared to start this because yes, it's gonna just turn into an expensive hobby because it just is. I know that, like a lot of y'all build keyboards and I have a lot of friends who build mechanical keyboards and I know it's an expensive hobby, but goodness, I just wanna try it out. So this is gonna be kind of like a build with me video. Gonna show you like my live reactions. Some parts are probably gonna be a little boring and monotonous because it's gonna be a lot of like similar repetitive notions, but hey, we're gonna hang out and it's gonna be fun. If you're into these kinds of videos or just into my personality and you enjoy watching this one, because I don't know, maybe you're gonna live vicariously through me or something like that, then make sure to click subscribe. Also make sure to join my membership program right here on YouTube by clicking the join button. For as low as 99 cents per month, you get access to a lot of different exclusive perks, as well as an exclusive video that pairs along with this one. I guess we should build it. I'm gonna move this because heaven knows that I am gonna spill it and we can't have those kind of errors here today. So let me go get the parts. Boom, boom. Oh goodness, there's a lot of stuff. Okay, I have opened some of them, but some of these I haven't opened before. So let's take a look-see. All right, inside box number one, we've got, ta-da, ooh, pink keycaps. Oh, and black on white Japanese keycaps. Oh, and stickers, that's so nice. We'll open these in a little bit. Let's take a look inside box number two. Ooh, desk mats. Oh, these are hefty. Thank you, that's so nice. Let's take a look at these keycaps real quick. Okay, so before I open everything and we get started with building, I just want to say a huge thank you to KeebsForAll for sending me all of this. They're a really small company and they're just starting to get into the kind of mechanical keyboard space, and they sent me all of this stuff because they were really enthusiastic about helping me build my very first ever mechanical keyboard, so thank you so much. You can check them out in the description box down below, and you can buy all of these things, minus the cute little desk mats, as a whole entire package. Pre-order starts from September 20th to October 4th. Okay, let's look. Let's look at these pink ones first. Ooh, ooh, I like this ombre, look at this. Wow, okay, I'm into it. So I believe there's 2 rows of keycaps here. So there's this one, careful, and this one. Oh, I like it. I'm not a huge pink fan, to be honest, but like this ombre I can totally get with. I love it. Next I'm gonna open the blue ones because I have taken a look at these, but just wanted to show you what they look like. This is like one of my favorite colors of navy blue. So I think this is what I'm gonna put on there. We'll see what the black on white also looks like too, but comes with this. And then these keys, I think these actually come with more. A lot of these products are non-final, a lot of them are still prototypes, so I would definitely consult the website for the final packaging and what's included, but this blue is gorgeous. I like it a lot. Okay, and then last but not least, black on white Japanese keycaps. Ooh, that's clean. I think I'm gonna have to go with these. I like this white and this black color, and the Japanese keyboard part just screams like it's me in a keyboard, you know? Let's take a look at what's underneath. These are so cute. I like that a lot. It's very Japanesey. Oh, they also sent me these keycaps. They're very cute. They're izakaya themed, and I thought that was also a very me thing because I love izakaya, beer, related things. I like it too. And then here's the build kit. So it comes in a really nice carrying case. Apparently this is not the final color. It's gonna match the actual keycap colors, but I've never had a keyboard case before, so I guess I can travel with my keyboard now, which is gonna make me that super extra person at the airport and at cafes. And you know what? I'm okay with it. So let's take a look. Here we go. Woohoo! Okay, so the kit name is called the Freebird 60 Full Kit. This is the case that it comes with. It's really hefty. This is an E-coated aluminum case. It comes in black, navy, olive, and white. This is not the final version. Again, this is still a prototype, but goodness, this got some weight on it. And I really like that the silicone goes all the way across instead of like the tiny little rubber feet. And then let's look inside what's here. So these are stabilizers. And then there's also some O-rings and screws in there. There's more O-rings and screws in that one. It comes with a USB-C to USB cord. And then here's the PCB board and the switch plate. Okay, here's the switch plate. Again, this is not a final color. Apparently there's gonna be one that's gonna match this case color. So it's gonna come in white as well as black and aluminum. Oh, silicone dampener for the thockiness. Thank you, love that. And then here's the PCB case. Oh goodness, I hope I don't like short this or anything. I am scared of using electronics because whenever I handle them, Scott, who majored in electrical engineering and knows a lot more about this stuff, is like, Mayuko, don't touch that one part. So I'm just gonna be really careful with it. But you know, it'll probably be fine. It'll probably be fine. I think I'll be okay. Okay, so here's the PCB board on the back. It says KeebsForAll, which is great. So this PCB board is the FB60 Hot-Swappable PCB board. So I don't have to solder anything, which literally that was like one of the biggest blockers really for me in wanting to build a keyboard because I suck at soldering. I'm not gonna lie to you. I am terrible at soldering and it terrifies me. So the fact that I can literally just push things in and it works, my kind of mechanical keyboard, gotta say. Oh, almost forgot. Gotta show the different switches that they sent me. So these switches are Gateron Milky yellows. Apparently they're very quiet and they're very cute. So I'm excited to try them out. I've only ever really typed on cherry MX keys as well as the whatever is inside the HHKB. Ooh, what is it called? What is it called? I wanna say it starts with a TH. This one is what I'm thinking about. So the folks at KeebsForAll sent me all of this. They also sent me like a lovely build guide, which I did watch, but I'm not gonna lie to you, I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm very bad at electronics. I like things to be in a complete state. But you know what? Today is a day for trying new things and seeking out new possibilities and learning and probably making a mistake or two, but at the end of it, I'm promising myself that there will be a keyboard that I will add an audio test for at the very end. Because that's like one of my favorite things about keyboard videos, that I get to add this like audio test at the end to show you how it sounds using a really good microphone. Okay, let's get building. I don't remember what I'm supposed to do first. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do first because this is the easiest thing. I'm gonna put this thing on here because that's super intuitive. Step 1. Is that right? I hope that's right. Done! Okay, so what I believe I have to do next is build the stabilizers, which was not part of the guide, but you know what? Let's just wing it. From the get-go, we're just gonna try things out and we're gonna see how it goes. Also, note, I'm not gonna be lubing anything because yo girl doesn't know how to do that. And I feel like that's the next level up. And I'm just trying to get a functional thing here today. You know what I mean? Okay, I'm looking at this and this makes no sense. So guess what we're gonna do? We're gonna check some YouTube videos. It's starting to make sense to me though. I think I got it. I think I got it. Oh, nope, I don't remember how to do it. Oh, poo. Ah. Did I get it? I think I got it. I think I'm proud of myself. I'm not really sure. If it all comes together at the end, it'll be a freaking miracle. But I've got at least a model. This is some small hands important shit. Last click, here we go. Okay, I think I did it. So, next. This is very similar to other things that I've done in that it's screwing screws into a thing, but wow, is it much smaller than what I'm used to. How does that fit? I don't get it. I think what I wasn't supposed to do was to screw this in just yet. So let me take that out. Big hole. I'm so afraid of breaking the PCB board. Oh, I did it. did it. And then I screw the, oh my. Look at what's happened. Stabilize the stabilizers. Righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. You know, I feel like mechanical keyboards are like the new Gundam kit, sort of. I never made the Gundam kits or anything like that, but I feel like it hits a similar target demographic of people who like building tiny things with their hands. Except, I guess keyboards are a little bit more utilitarian because most people create them to use them, and Gundams are usually there on display. I don't know what people do with their Gundam. Like, if you like building that kind of stuff, you're probably gonna like building keyboards, not gonna lie. And then I think the other thing too is mechanical keyboards are just like so much more accessible, or like you don't have to have watched the entire Gundam anime in order to appreciate it. You just have to kind of like typing. So far, I don't know if I'll get into mechanical keyboards. Maybe. I think it's that like, by making something and then you realize that like when you use it, you're like, damn, I made this, which is the cool part. Because I do like making stuff. I've made that picture shelf right behind me. I also made the thing that this light bulb is hanging up on. But I made a lot of stuff for my own room because I wanted custom pieces. Well, they didn't need to be custom. I just couldn't find what I wanted on sale anywhere. Am I doing this wrong? Oh shit, I'm doing this wrong. All right, from the top. Also, I just want to say, I'm sorry if any of you are cringing to any part of this as you're watching me build it. I am such a beginner and I just don't know what I'm doing. So please be nice to me in the comments because I don't know what I'm doing. I welcome constructive feedback, but your girl is trying her best, okay? You know what? I truly believe that like in order to learn something, really learn it, you gotta like make a big mistake first. Well, that's not necessarily true. You can definitely learn from others' mistakes and you don't have to learn from a mistake in order to learn at all. But for me, I find that just like being unafraid of trying and just going for it is like the best way to like try things out and do it. Because I think there's something about like, you know what, when you've really failed, feeling that failure in your bones and being like, you know what, that sucked. I'm never gonna do it again. Okay, there we go. Everybody's happy. Now it's just not going in. Oh, what's wrong with you? Yo, everyone makes this look so easy, but it's like really hard. I do think maybe this is the hardest part of building a keyboard though. Okay, got it. Wow, am I gonna take these out at some point and then properly lube the switches? Probably not. Okay, we're looking good. We're looking good, we got one more. I wish I had like 3 hands to do this. Oh, I did it! I freaking did it! So, I believe what comes next, I hope what comes next, is installing the switches. This part's gonna be very monotonous, I believe. All right, so next, I'm going to install the switches onto the switch plate. Is that what this is called? This is called the switch plate. And then I'm gonna install onto the PCB board because I've been told that that's easier that way. So, I hope this is gonna be easier than adding the stabilizers. So this one, I'm gonna consult how the direction of this, because it's supposed to go downwards. I believe downwards is north facing, and then upwards is south facing. This is already proving to be so much easier than the stabilizers. So yay. And the best part is that I know that if I mess up, I can use this thing to pull it out. Oh, so this kit also, by the way, is called Freebird 60, so it's technically a 60% keyboard, but you can actually configure it and install it to be 65% and customize it to what you want, because I didn't say this in my HHKB video because I forgot about it, but the fact that it doesn't have arrow keys is kind of annoying. I've actually like programmed my HHKB to use the function and the WASD keys as a replacement, but I would much rather have arrow keys. So I'm excited to have arrow keys back again. Okay, I'm gonna try installing it onto the plate now. Oh, is that a connection? You can do it, Mayuko, you are capable. I think that's in, but hard to tell. I hope I didn't break anything. Oh my gosh. The anxiety is real while you build this. There's probably like a way to install these where you're like not hurting any of the pins, and I just don't know how to do that. But they did tell me, as troubleshooting, if one of the keys don't work, it's probably because one of the little like leg thingies are bent and not that like there's actually wrong connection. Okay. Okay, I did it. I have installed all the switches. So now I'm gonna install this onto here. Oh my God, I thought I almost lost it again. Breathe. You know, I always thought I was someone who could do like detailed work like this, but after this, I'm not so sure. The O-ring on, because the O-ring is fat. I mean, look at this thing, it's fat. Can you see it? Okay. Now, I just gotta screw it on. I think that's in. Now I think I just gotta put the keycaps on. I'm gonna put on these ones. The only like kodawari, the only thing I'm super particular about in terms of keycaps is my friend taught me about putting on the spacebar backwards. So instead of typing like this on the thumb, putting it like this. Did I install you incorrectly? Ooh. Oh, dude, the sound of this. I can already tell I'm gonna like this. And a plus. Okay. Yo, I think I'm done. Take a look. Wow, that thing is heavy. Take a look at this custom built mechanical keyboard. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. Yo, I gotta say, this case like makes this keyboard infinitely better than any keyboards I've ever had. It's just so hefty. Like this is probably like 5 pounds, 3 to 5 pounds. It's just so heavy. Shall we test this thing? I think it's time to test it. So, key tester. My Q doesn't work, my 6 doesn't work, my I doesn't work. Wow, this is bad. A lot of my keys don't work. All right, well, let me show you the results. Here are all of the keys that work. I would say that's about a 50% rate of success. So I do think I gotta take it back out again and then test things out. But hey, thank you so much for watching. I think I would call this a success. There's like obviously mistakes that I've made, and you saw me make them, which is totally fine. But I would say that, yo, I would totally use this on a day-to-day basis, and I'm excited to once I fix everything. Thank you all so much for watching. Again, all the information about all of the things that I used are in the description box down below. Thank you again so much to KeebsForAll for sending me this kit. You'll find their link as well as my affiliate link in the description box. Again, this kit, the Freebird 60 build kit, which includes the case, the PCB, the plate, as well as the switches in keycaps, is gonna go on pre-order from September 20th to October 4th. If you pre-order now, then you'll get it around January time-ish, and so I hope you all try it out. Overall, in my mechanical keyboard experience, I would say this was fun. I think the whole like hot-swappable switches make this so much more easier and fun to do instead of soldering. So I think I would do this again, but I know a little bit more what to expect next time, and I think I can do a better job. So I am excited to take this apart and put it back together again, because that's what you're supposed to do with mechanical keyboards when they don't work. That's really why people build their own keyboards to begin with, because they want to customize each and every part of the keyboard process. Everything from the keycaps to the switches to the PCB board underneath and the layout, as well as the case and how damp the sound is. I will add a sound test for you at the end of this, and so you can hear how it sounds. If you're a member, then make sure to check out the exclusive video for you in the description box down below. And if you're not a member, you can come join us and get access to that and many more other perks for as low as 99 cents a month. All right, everybody, thank you so much for being on this journey with me. Thank you for coming along to it. I hope you enjoy these keyboard videos, and who knows, maybe I will do more keyboard videos in the future, and if you'd like me to, then make sure to leave a comment down below. I hope that I didn't make anybody cringe too hard, and this is fun. Thanks for hanging out, and I'll see you next time. Bye!